Hello vlog. About a week ago, I started having my job. After the first faculty meeting, I came home and trying to collect things out. I also missed my old student life at Mongolia International University. On Sunday, I brought my daughter to my job workplace, which is Mongolia International University. It has changed a lot. Lots of construction, and the offices moved around. Even they have a elementary and middle school. I was amazed. School was quite empty. No one around since it's not started yet. So my daughter, we enjoy sitting together at seed service. So every Sunday they held this seed service, but they didn't have the Sunday school for kids. So my daughter was only kid at the time, which is so sad. So she was quite bored. She and I missed our dear friends who left Mongolia for good. So we stopped by the cafe at school, and then we waited Daddy to pick us up. It was a long day, but thankfully I had spent great time with Ahma. She was so happy. And on that evening, I went out to see my best friends. On the way in football stadium, I just stopped by to see this competition because it's quite interesting to see how people are gathered and watching this performance. Even though it was a small competition.
Shooting 10 секунд. Цаг дуслаа. Я хонгор цэгийн ихтэй нэгэн болсон байна. Сүүлийн 30 секунд. За дараа нь Хүндхэн таймерчид Бөгөөдийн эсрэг өсгөөрнөр.
If you know me, I don't usually go out at night, but on that night I saw catchy dressed ladies. Which countries, I have no idea, but I was super excited to see my girls. So finally I met my girlfriends. So we have met not many times, so we missed each other. We had great time together. Two of my best friends, they have cheered me up. The semester started. I was so happy to have them around me.
Амар гоё алхаа хаа гэж одоо баярлалаа. Нас нийл илэрхийлэхгүй ч гэсэн дотроо болоо. Kimchi, awale. Ay, ay, ay. Tama tam tatawid. Ay, tama. Dachar. Aleti. Kaya wata kare, wata kare. Nie, awale, awale tur. Kaya kangan tatawid. Hehehe.
There might be delays. There might be mountains you have to get over. You might fall backwards. You might stumble and break an arm. Teachers you will have this year will leave. They'll go back to where they come from.
And be yourself, be open, listen to others, the skills, improve your skills, do your best.
That's a whole thing there. Okay. 여기 왜 안 봤어? 다시 나오다. За. Жим болцоо. Юужээ. Хүмүүс хэдэн килограммын жимийн зүгээд ингээд яагаад. Яа. Явлаа. За гайташ.
зураг авах гэдэг. Амар явж байгаа шүү. Тийм
Миний улаагаазаа зөвхөн чиний сарнаа орж байна. Зөвхөн урсах тэрэл харин бороо. Зөвхөн тэрсаа when my rainbow rhythm starts to play, dance with me, make me sway like a lazy ocean hugs the shore. Hold me close, sway me more like a flower bending in the breeze. Stand with me. All the dancers may be on the floor. Chicken versus a ball.